Here's where you keep your remote, right there, right? Just like that. And then let's flip it around. And here's your manual controls. This right here is your on, right? This controls your fan. We've got it on super high. It shows we got fan, 78 degrees. If I hit it, it goes to 1. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I hit this, it swivels. You'll see it start to move. There it goes. So that's your swivel, on, off, and on. Right now it's off, I hit it, it starts swiveling. I hit it, and swivelation. Very slowly swiveling. And this is a nature mode and some other weird thing. If you click this, you're gonna see nature mode. If you click this, you're gonna see night mode, and you click it again, it's nothing. Here you can change the time, how long you want it to run for. So I got it 8 hours, right? You could do more. There's 12 hours, and there's 0 hours. If I put my finger on there, it does that. Let's go back to here, and now we're down. Bam, now we're up to the top. All right, so that's basically it. Just plug it into the wall, and bam, cool yourself off for these hot summer nights right here for $49.95 at Costco.